Hey there! In this tutorial, we will show you how to use Ultralytics YOLO models to automatically label image datasets in CVAT Online. With this new integration, you can classify, detect, segment, and estimate the pose of different objects with little to no human intervention using one or a combination of Ultralytics YOLO models. To make this work, we'll run the model on our computer and connect it to CVAT Online via the agent mechanism. Okay, let's go over the setup. To begin, make sure that you have Git and Python installed on your computer. After that, we'll need to clone the CVAT source repository to our computer. This repository contains the source code for the auto-annotation function, which adapts the original model to CVAT. Then, we'll create a Python environment and install the necessary dependencies. The dependencies are listed in the requirements.txt file in the model directory for convenience. At some point, the agent will require your CVAT password to connect to CVAT. We'll store the password in the pass environment variable so that CVAT command line interface can pick it up automatically. Okay, we are now ready to connect the agent to CVAT Online. First, we need to register the YOLO function using the function create_native subcommand of the CVAT command line interface. For that, we'll need to add the base URL of the CVAT Online instance and our account username. If you're following along, make sure to use your own username. Next, we'll need to give the function a name in the CVAT Online interface. It can be anything. Here, we'll use YOLO11. After that, we'll use the function file option to point the command line interface to the function source code in the CVAT repository. Once that's done, we go to docs.ultralytics.com to find the file name of the YOLO11 model that we'll be using, since there are several of them. We could use any of the other Ultralytics YOLO numbered models. For this demo, however, we'll choose YOLO11 n.pt. After the command completes, the command line interface will output the ID of the function assigned by CVAT Online. We'll use this ID in our next command that starts the agent. Okay, the agent is running, which means we can go ahead and use the connected Ultralytics YOLO model for labeling. Let's go back to our CVAT Online account and select the Models tab. Once we refresh the page, we will see the earlier registered YOLO11 model. Let's do some labeling. We'll use this sample dataset as an example. First, open your task and select the annotation job with the preloaded dataset. Once we're in the workspace, let's open the AI Tools menu, go to the Detectors tab, and choose our YOLO model. You'll see the model labels, which you can match to your task labels. Then, click Annotate. As you can see, the model has detected a person on the first frame and drawn a bounding box around them. We can now continue labeling the remaining frames in this job the same way. Or we can pre-label all the frames in a task in one go through bulk actions. To do that, return to your task page and click the Actions button in the upper right corner. Select Automatic Annotation and choose your YOLO model. Click Annotate and wait for the annotation request to complete. Once it's done, you can go and check the results. As you see, the model has pre-labeled the entire dataset with predefined shapes and labels. Now let's look at other types of labeling tasks you can perform with YOLO models in CVAT. As you see, we've added a few more YOLO11 models here. Let's go back to the tasks page and choose the same dataset, but this time, we will be using two other YOLO11 models. Let's open the AI Tools again and first choose the YOLO11 Seg model in the Detectors tab to segment the person on the frame from the background. As you see, the model has drawn a polygon shape around the man's contour. Now, let's clear the annotation and choose a different model, YOLO 11 pose, for a person's pose estimation. This time, as you see, the model has drawn a skeleton shape, which we can fine-tune if necessary. Okay, let's try a different dataset with a bunch of predefined labels and try labeling it with one more YOLO 11 model for oriented object detection. Once the model performs the annotation, we can go ahead and check the results. In this case, it pre-labeled 136 objects with different labels and colors as it was set in the specs. Finally, let's go back to the tasks page one more time and try one more YOLO model for object classification on an animal dataset. This time, we'll choose the YOLO 11 CLS model in the Detectors tab. Once ready, you'll see the tags near each frame, indicating the animal on the picture. Alright, that's a wrap on Ultralytics YOLO assisted labeling in CVAT. We hope you enjoy this new integration and spend way less time on manual routine labeling. Thanks for watching.